We have breaking updates now coming in. Amid this showdown over Aurangzeb, Yogi Adityanath has given out a strong message to those who are glorifying the Mughal tyrant, saying glorifying the invaders is treason. Yogi Adityanath giving out a strong message saying we cannot accept traitors.
आक्रांता का महिमा मंडन का मतलब देशद्रोह की नींव को पुख्ता करना और स्वतंत्र भारत ऐसे किसी देशद्रोही को स्वीकार नहीं कर सकता है। जिन आक्रांताओं ने भारत की सनातन संस्कृति को रौंदने का कार्य किया था, बाहर बेटियों की इज्जत पर हाथ डालने का काम किया था, हमारी आस्था पर प्रहार किया था, उसे आज का ये नया भारत स्वीकार करने को कतई तैयार नहीं है।
My colleagues Arunil and Adeeb are joining us on the broadcast. Well, Arunil, treason, that's the charge being levelled by the UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, saying these are people who are glorifying Aurangzeb. He is an invader and they are glorifying him, and that resulted in this violence as well. Does this also mean that we are going to look at the treason charges also being brought in? Because remember, the Maharashtra police officials are also looking at a terror angle in this.
Well, that is right. Basically, a significant statement being made here by UP CM Yogi Adityanath, saying that all those who have been glorifying Aurangzeb, we will not accept that. It is nothing but treason. He has called it. That's a very big statement coming in from Yogi Adityanath. Before Yogi Adityanath, it was Maharashtra CM Devendra Fadnavis as well. He has also echoed a same sentiment that we are not going to accept anybody hailing Aurangzeb or glorifying him because the way he had murdered Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj and how much of trouble he had meted out to Hindus during his regime as well. Temples were destroyed. The jizya tax was also imposed. Everything was mentioned by Mr. Devendra Fadnavis. Now, coming to the investigation perspective with respect to the Nagpur violence that had taken place, I was speaking to, in fact, Times Now is the only channel which has exclusively spoken to the DCP who heads the cyber cell of Nagpur police. What he's been saying is that it first started with a mob chanting slogans in favor of Aurangzeb. There were viral posts that were being put up, more than 60 of them, in favor of Aurangzeb, and particularly or indicatively rumors were spread in a way that a mob was riled up. The mob basically attacked police personnel as well. And he mentioned about the
glorifying
fact that
a Mughal tyrant, there is violence that is being unleashed today. To those who question why is it that we're talking about Aurangzeb now, it's because in the present we're seeing the kind of violence that's broken out, and the visuals are on your screens. These are those people who have been glorifying Aurangzeb. Stay with us. Let's play out that reaction of Yogi Adityanath, where he gave out a very, very clear warning to the Aurangzeb fans.
आक्रांता का महिमा मंडन का मतलब देशद्रोह की नींव को पुख्ता करना और स्वतंत्र भारत ऐसे किसी देशद्रोही को स्वीकार नहीं कर सकता है। जिन आक्रांताओं ने भारत की सनातन संस्कृति को रौंदने का कार्य किया था, बाहर बेटियों की इज्जत पर हाथ डालने का काम किया था, हमारी आस्था पर प्रहार किया था, उसे आज का ये नया भारत स्वीकार करने को कतई तैयार नहीं है।
We will never accept the Aurangzeb fans. This is against the country. That's a charge by the UP Chief Minister. Adeeb, not the first time that Yogi Adityanath has spoken about it. In fact, he also listed out what Aurangzeb had done, the tyranny of Aurangzeb, as he says that people of Bharat don't identify with him.
Well, definitely, Pratibha, and see, this is not the first time that Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has mentioned Aurangzeb. Today he was in Bahraich, where he gave a stern warning to all the Aurangzeb fans. He's saying that if someone is going to glorify Aurangzeb, it's a foundation for treason. So clearly he's giving a clear message to all the Aurangzeb fans that glorifying him is a charge for treason. And he also went on to say that the independent India cannot accept any invader such as Aurangzeb. And earlier before this also, when the assembly session of Uttar Pradesh was going on, he mentioned the Aurangzeb, and he said that the Aurangzeb was a cruel ruler and India cannot accept it anyhow. He was attacking Samajwadi Party then, and now again when he was speaking in Bahraich, he has given a clear message to all the fans of Aurangzeb who are taking the name of the Aurangzeb. The Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has given clear message that it's the foundation for treason, and the independent India will never accept any kind of invader who has done a tyrant like Aurangzeb, who has brought cruelty to India, and India will never accept these type of tyrants.
Okay, all right, Adeep, thank you for joining us. In fact,